Hi students, welcome to NSR IT and NEET Academy. This is the fourth session of transformation. So in this session also we are going to discuss rotation of axis problems. So next question number 16, when the axes are rotated through an angle pi by 6, find the transformed equation of x square plus 2 root 3 xy minus y square equal to 2a square. So here given angle theta is equal to pi by 6. So pi by 6 means 180 by 6 is equal to 30 degrees. So find the transformed equation of this equation. So the given equation become virginal equation. So given p x comma y equal to 0, that is x square plus 2 root 3 xy minus y square equal to 2a square. Take it as equation number 1. So by rotation of axis, so write the formula of x and y because our equation in form of virginal equation. So x is equal to x dash cos theta minus y dash sin theta, and also y is equal to x dash sin theta plus y dash cos theta. So x is equal to x dash cos, here given theta value, so cos 30 minus y dash into sin 30. So x is equal to x dash into cos 30 value is root 3 by 2, sin 30 value 1 by 2. Now x is equal to root 3 x dash minus y dash into 1 y dash by 2. So LCM is 2. So this is x value, root 3 x dash minus y dash by 2. Next y is equal to x dash into sin 30 plus y dash into cos 30. Now y is equal to x dash sin 30 value 1 by 2 plus y dash into cos 30 value root 3 by 2. Now y is equal to x dash plus root 3 y dash by 2. So this is y value. So we get x and y values. Now write here p point. So p x y, so we get x value. Now p become root 3 x dash minus y dash by 2, and here x dash plus root 3 y dash by 2. So this p is substitute in equation 1. So in place of x substitute root 3 x dash minus y dash by 2, and in place of y substitute x dash plus root 3 y dash by 2. Now substitute here, we get root 3 x dash minus y dash by 2 whole square, that is x square. Next place 2 root 3 xy, 2 root 3 into x into y, root 3 x dash minus y dash by 2 into x dash plus root 3 y dash by 2 minus y square. So y square means x dash plus root 3 y dash by 2 whole square equal to 2a square. Now simplify that equation. Let apply here a minus b whole square. A minus b whole square equal to a square. Root 3 x dash whole square is equal to 3x dash square plus b square y dash square minus 2ab. minus 2 into root 3, 2 root 3 x dash y dash by 4 2 square. So here apply a minus b whole square and 2 square value 4 plus 2 root 3 into, so multiply the terms. First root 3 x dash into x dash, root 3 x dash square. Next root 3 x dash into root 3 y dash, root 3 into root 3 3 x dash y dash. Next minus y dash into x dash minus x dash y dash. Next minus y into root 3y, that is minus root 3 y dash square by 2 to the 4. Next again we have two terms. So minus of, here apply a plus b whole square. So minus of, apply here a plus b whole square, a square plus b square x dash square plus 3y dash square plus 2ab, 2 root 3 x dash y dash by 2 square 4 is equal to 2a square. Now simplify this equation. So this is very important question for annual exam. So write. So 3x dash square plus y dash square minus 2 root 3 x dash y dash. So in all terms LCM is 4. Now 2 root 3 multiply each and every term. 2 root 3 into root 3, root 3 into root 3 3, 3 to just 6. 6x dash square plus, so here root 3 is there, here 3 is there, 3 to just 6 into root 3, 6 root 3 x dash y dash minus 2 root 3 x dash y dash minus root 3 into root 3 3, 3 to just 6, 6 y dash square. Next minus multiply here, x dash square minus 3y dash square minus 2 root 3 x dash y dash whole by 4 equal to 2a square. Now 4 multiply that one, we get 8a square. Now numerator simplify the equation, 3x dash square 6x dash square, 3 plus 6 9 minus x dash square. Okay, now 9 minus 1 8, so 8x dash square. Next y dash square here minus 6 minus 3 minus 9, minus 9 plus 1 minus 8. Next to x dash y dash terms, 6 root 3 x dash y dash, here minus 2 root 3 minus 2 root 3 minus 2 root 3 minus 2 minus 2 minus 2 minus 6 minus 2 root 3 minus 2 root 3 minus 2 root 3 minus 6 root 3 x dash y dash equal to 4 2s are 8, 8a square. Now plus 6 root 3 x dash y dash minus 6 root 3 x dash y dash get cancel. So we get 8x dash square minus 8y dash square, 8a square. Move this side, it become minus a square equal to 0. Now in all terms we have a common term 8, take it as common 8, we get x dash square minus y dash square minus a square equal to 0. Now 8 move that side, 0 by 8 becomes 0, so we get x dash square y dash square minus a square equal to 0. So this is transformed equation. So finally write remove dash. So we get x square minus y square minus a square equal to 0. So this is very important for annual exam. Right, next question number 17. When the axis rotated through an angle pi by 4, find the transformed equation of 3x square plus 10xy plus 3y square equal to 9. So, here given theta value, theta is equal to pi by 4, that is equal to 180 by 4, 45 degrees, and also given here original equation, that is Px comma y equal to 0. So, 3x square plus 10xy plus 3y square equal to 9. Take it as equation number 1. Now, by rotation of axis, can write x is equal to x dash cos theta minus y dash sin theta and y is equal to x dash sin theta plus y dash cos theta. So, x is equal to x dash cos 45 minus y dash into sin 45. Now, x is equal to x dash into cos 45 1 by root 2 and sin 45 1 by root 2. Now, x is equal to x dash into 1 x dash and y dash into 1 y dash by LCM is root 2. Next, here also y is equal to x dash into sin 45 plus y dash into cos 45. So, y is equal to x dash into 1 by root 2 plus y dash into 1 by root 2. Y is equal to x dash and y dash. So, x dash into 1 x dash plus y dash into 1 y dash by root 2. So, this is y value. So, we get x and y. So, write here P point x dash plus y dash by root 2 and x dash minus y dash by root 2. This is P. Now, P substitute in equation 1. So, in place of x and y, substitute x and y values, we get, so our equation is 3x square. So, x dash minus y dash by root 2 whole square plus 10 into xy. So, x dash minus y dash by root 2 into x dash plus y dash by root 2 plus 3y square x dash plus y dash by root 2 whole square equal to 9. Now, simplify this. So, we get, apply here a minus b whole square formula. 3 into x dash square plus y dash square minus 2x dash y dash by root 2 square is 2. Next, plus 10 into, so multiply these two terms, this is a plus b into here a minus b, a square minus b square x dash square minus y dash square by root 2 into root 2 2 and plus 3 into, so here apply a plus b whole square x dash square plus y dash square plus 2x dash y dash by 2. So, root 2 square is 2 equal to 9. So, equal to 9, here LCM is 2. Now, 3 multiply each and every term, we get 3x dash square, 3y dash square, 3 2 is 6, x dash y dash plus 10x dash square minus 10y dash square plus 3x dash square plus 3y dash square plus 3 2 just 6 x dash y dash by 2 equal to 9. Now simplify this one. So here plus 6x dash minus 6x dash y dash get cancelled. So next here 3x dash square 10x dash square and again 3x dash, 3 plus 10 13 plus 3 16. Next to y dash 3 plus 3 6 minus 10, so that is minus 4 y dash square equal to 2 9s are 18. 2 9s are 2, multiply that side we get 2 9s are 18. Now 16x dash square minus 4y dash square minus 18 equal to 0. 18 move this side. In this 3 terms get a common term, that is 2, take it as common to here, we get 8x dash square 2y dash square minus 9 equal to 0. So 2 move that side, 0 by 2 0, we get 8x dash square 2y dash square minus 9 equal to 0. So that is our transformed equation. So finally write, remove dash, so we get 8x square minus 2y square minus 9. 8x square minus 2y square minus 9 equal to 0. So next question number 18, when the axis rotated through an angle alpha, find the transformed equation of x cos alpha plus y sin alpha equal to p. So here given theta is equal to alpha and given equation, original equation, that is pxy equal to 0. So x cos alpha plus y sin alpha equal to p. So take it as equation number 1. So by rotation of axis, x is equal to x dash cos theta minus y dash sin theta, and y is equal to x dash sin theta plus y dash cos theta. Now in place of theta substitute alpha, x dash cos alpha minus y dash sin alpha, and y is equal to x dash sin alpha plus y dash cos alpha. So this x and y values substitute in equation 1. So equation 1 is x cos alpha, so p become x dash cos alpha minus y dash sin alpha, x dash sin alpha plus y dash cos alpha equal to 0. So p substitute in equation 1. So equation 1 is x cos alpha, in place of x substitute x value, x dash cos alpha minus y dash sin alpha, this is x into cos alpha plus y. So y value is x dash sin alpha plus y dash cos alpha into sin alpha is equal to, now cos alpha into cos alpha, cos square alpha, so x dash cos square alpha minus y dash into sin alpha cos alpha plus x dash sin square alpha plus y dash sin alpha into cos alpha equal to p. So y dash sin alpha cos alpha minus value plus value get cancelled. This is y dash sin alpha cos alpha plus, this is y dash sin alpha cos alpha minus. Now in these two terms we have a common term x dash, take it as common x dash, we get cos square alpha plus sin square alpha equal to p. So cos square theta plus sin square theta 1, now x dash equal to p, so x dash minus p equal to 0. So right here remove dash, so we get x minus p equal to 0. So this is our transformed equation. So transformed equation of this solution is x dash minus p equal to 0. So remove dash, we get x minus p. So next question number 19. So show that axis rotated through an angle 1/2 tan inverse 2h by a minus b. Remove xy term in this transformed equation. So first find the transformed equation of this equation. This is original equation. So by using x and y formulas, find the transformed equation. In that equation we have to remove xy term, we get angle is this one. So this is the question. So find the transformed equation of ax square plus 2hxy plus by square equal to 0. So in that transformed equation, remove xy term, we get angle value theta, that is 1/2 tan inverse 2h by a minus b. So we have to show that angle value is this one, and also show that in this value if a equal to b, then theta is equal to pi by 4. So we have to prove two conditions, one is theta and another one is pi by 4. So here give an equation, that is original equation px comma y equal to 0, that is ax square plus 2hxy plus by square equal to 0. Take it as equation number 1. Right, by rotation of axis. So this is also very important for annual exam. So most of the students neglect this question. So they prepare only 18th question and leave this 19th question. But most of the times 19th question also get in annual exam. So this is also very important. Practice this one also. So by rotation of axis, x is equal to x dash cos theta minus y dash sin theta, and y is equal to x dash sin theta plus y dash cos theta. So this x and y substitute in equation 1. So that is p x dash cos theta minus y dash sin theta, comma x dash sin theta plus y dash cos theta equal to 0. So p substitute in equation 1. In place of xy, substitute these values. So we get, so our equation is ax square. So a into x value is x dash cos theta minus y dash sin theta whole square. Ax square plus 2hxy means x into y, x dash cos theta minus y dash sin theta into x dash sin theta plus y dash cos theta plus by square. Y means x dash sin theta minus plus y dash cos theta whole square equal to 0. So ax square plus 2hxy plus by square equal to 0. Now simplify this. A into, here apply a minus b whole square. So a square x dash square cos square theta y dash square sin square theta minus 2x dash y dash sin theta into cos theta plus 2h into, so multiply these terms. First x dash cos theta into x dash sin theta, x dash square sin theta into cos theta plus next x dash into y dash cos theta, we get x dash y dash cos square theta, x dash into y dash cos square theta. So next multiply y dash sin theta into x dash sin theta, we get minus x dash y dash sin square theta minus into plus minus y dash square sin theta into cos theta plus b into, apply here a plus b whole square, x dash square sin square theta plus y dash square cos square theta plus 2x dash y dash sin theta into cos theta, so equal to 0. Now here a multiply here each and every time, next 2h multiply each and every time, and next b multiply here each and every time, we get x dash square into a cos square theta plus, so here y dash square this one, so y dash square a sin square theta minus, so a multiply here we get x dash y dash into, so here 2a sin theta cos theta, next plus, so 2h multiply here x dash square 2h sin theta cos theta plus x dash y dash 2h cos square theta, next 2h multiply here minus x dash y dash into 2h sin square theta minus y dash square 2h sin theta into cos theta plus, now b multiply here b x dash square sin square theta plus b y dash square cos square theta plus x dash y dash into 2b sin theta into cos theta equal to 0. So here a multiply each and every time, next 2h multiply here and b multiply here. So this is our transformed equation. So in this equation remove xy term means all x dash y dash coefficients equating to 0. That is the meaning of remove xy term. So remove xy term means, so in this equation all x dash y dash coefficients equating to 0. So we get theta value, that is 1/2 tan inverse 2h by a minus b. Now here this is x dash square term and this is y dash square term. So this is x dash y dash and this is also x dash y dash and this one also x dash y dash and here this one also x dash y dash coefficients. So in underlined terms take it as coefficient of x dash y dash. In first term coefficient is minus 2a sin theta cos theta. Now right here remove x dash y dash terms, right, minus 2a sin theta cos theta, next plus 2h cos square theta minus 2h sin square theta, next finally 2b sin theta cos theta equal to 0. Now 2h terms write that side, so we get, so here 2a sin theta cos theta, 2b sin theta cos theta, move that side and this side right here 2h cos square theta minus 2h sin square theta equal to, so this minus term move this side, we get 2a sin theta into cos theta minus 2b into sin theta into cos theta. So take it as common here 2h, we get cos square theta minus sin square theta and here also take it as common here 2 sin theta into cos theta. So in both terms we have common 2 sin theta and cos theta, we get a minus b. So cos square theta minus sin square theta, it is a formula of cos 2 theta. So you learn in trigonometry. 2h cos 2 theta equal to 2 sin theta cos theta. So this is formula of sin 2 theta into a minus b. So the angle in term of tan. So cos move this side and a minus b move this side. We get 2h by a minus b is equal to sin 2 theta by cos 2 theta. Now sin by cos is equal to tan. Sin theta by cos theta is equal to tan theta. Now tan 2 theta is equal to 2h by a minus b. Now 2 theta is equal to tan move this side, it becomes tan inverse of 2h by a minus b, but we have to find theta value. Now 2 also move this side, it becomes 1 by 2 tan inverse 2h by a minus b. So this is the value of theta. So remove x dash y dash term. So we get theta is equal to 1 by 2 tan inverse 2h by a minus b. And also show that pi by 4 if a equal to b. So in this theta, if a equal to b, means in place of a also substitute b, get theta is equal to tan inverse of 2h by b minus b. So theta is equal to 1 by 2 into tan inverse of 2h by b minus b is 0. So something by 0 infinite. So 1 by 2 into tan inverse of infinite. So in tan we get infinite at tan 90, that is tan pi by 2. So tan inverse get cancelled. Now theta is equal to 1 by 2 into pi by 2. So we get theta is equal to pi by 2 to the 4. Okay na? So if a equal to b means in place of a substitute b. So b minus b 0, something by 0 infinite. So in tan we get infinite at pi by 2, that is tan 90. If tan and tan inverse there, cancel that one. Tan into tan inverse means x into x inverse. X into x inverse means x into x inverse means 1 by x. Cancel that, get 1. So tan into tan inverse cancel, we get 1, that is 1 into pi by 2 pi by 2. So 1 by 2 into pi by 2, we get pi by 4. So this is theta equal to pi by 4 if a equal to b, and remove xy term, tan theta value is equal to 1 by 2 tan inverse 2h by a minus b. So this is also very important question for annual exam. So practice this one also. So today's session is completed. If you have any doubt, call my number. I will clarify your doubts. Take care. Bye bye.